Wake up with the lark. Unveiling an English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English easy and fun. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase. Be up with the lark. Whether you're a language enthusiast or polishing your English skills, understanding such phrases can add a charming touch to your vocabulary. So, let's explore what it means to be up with the lark, and how you can use this expression in your daily conversations. Be up with the lark is a picturesque phrase that paints the image of waking up early in the morning, just as the larks begin their dawn chorus. Larks are known for their habit of singing very early in the day, often before sunrise. Therefore, when someone says they are up with the lark, they mean they rise at the crack of dawn, embracing the day when it's still fresh and new. This phrase harks back to a time when people's daily routines were closely tied to the natural world. Before the advent of alarm clocks and the hustle and bustle of modern life, the singing of larks served as nature's wake-up call. Being up with the lark was common among farmers and others whose work required them to start their day early. It symbolizes not just the act of waking up early but also an eagerness and readiness to tackle the day's tasks. Using "be up with the lark" in conversation or writing adds a lyrical touch to your English. It's perfect for describing your own routine, praising someone's diligence, or even setting the scene in a story. For instance, even on weekends, I'm up with the lark, enjoying the quiet of the morning. You have to be up with the lark if you want to catch the first bus to the city. This phrase can also be used metaphorically to describe someone who is enthusiastic about starting something new or someone who is always ready and prepared for what lies ahead. We hope this exploration of the phrase, "be up with the lark," enriches your English vocabulary and inspires you to appreciate the beauty of language a little more. Remember, being familiar with such expressions can make your speech more vivid and engaging. So, are you ready to be up with the lark tomorrow? Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more insightful content. Happy learning!